Hey guys, Jerry and Aaron here back. Had a good weekend. Memorial Day weekend. We took a 4-day weekend. It was good. We needed some time off, didn't we, Aaron? And back at it hard this morning. We've already done 4 vans, fleet vans this morning. And it's 9 o'clock. We're on to another detail, full detail inside and out. It's a little Honda, isn't it, Aaron? What is this? Yeah, a little CRV. White, it's not too bad. What do you think, Aaron? What do you think? No, it ain't bad. It's got that old multi-surface carpets, not too bad. A couple stains. Floors ain't in too bad a shape. Seats look pretty good. It's got some soft stuff around the sides. Clean up. Normal stuff. Normal stuff. Yeah, don't look too bad. Alright. So we're gonna get after it. Aaron, what do you think? Yeah. Huh? You good? Alright. We're gonna get after it. Woo! So we're changing out the filters this morning. We got 2 new filters. We've been reusing these. Usually we take them out, clean them every week. And let's see that there. Yeah. They've been in there about 2 months, so we're gonna change them out. See how that goes. What we do is get a trash bag, dump everything in the trash bag, and throw the filters away. It's supposed to be close to 90 degrees today. We don't want no part of it. Drop it. Look up these. It has it on there. Sometimes you hit the jackpot, boys. Look at that. That crud, that's about a week.
Looks like we
clean them out every week.
Sucked up a game.
And we sucked up somebody's game. I don't know, and Aaron just happens to have a switch. So yeah, it works good. It works.
Y'all clean all that money out of not be rich.
So dig through the, we sucked up, made $1 off somebody's change. And Aaron vacuumed up a live wasp. Kind of afraid to stick my hand in here because I don't know if we get that wasp or not. Yeah, looks like we made $1.50, Aaron. Yeah. On that one. Whew. You can only reuse them filters so many times. Sucking up crud, they get pretty corroded. That's about all we got in that one. That's my vacuum. I didn't suck up as much trash. We only made $1 out of mine. So, maintenance is very important on your equipment. We got the filters. Normally they're $18 a piece, a little over 18. We got these on sale for $5 a piece, so I bought a couple. But they last about a month, 2 months, depending on how much crud you vacuum up. But we'll start the generators and get it rolling. Man, it's carpet. This is a little cover that goes in the front. These carpets, man, I wish these manufacturers would put better carpet because you just cannot hardly Man, I've been scrubbing and scrubbing. You just cannot hardly get all that stuff off. Aaron, how's it going, bud?
It's going.
You know, are you hot?
Yeah, I'm roasting.
What do you think the temperature is? 900? 200? Way up there, ain't it? Aaron's done got his half clean, and I've been messing around the back. Now it's my turn.
I think it's something to drink.
So, one of the problems with this little thin carpet is it really sticks good. Creates a good suction because it's so tightly bound that, man, it's hard to move it around. Get a good clean, but it's like Velcro. Everything just sticks to it. The car's not that bad. It's, the seats are probably the worst part of the stain and stuff. The back of those ain't too bad. But that stain, got a bunch of stains up here on the seat. So I'll have to do a little extracting, a little shampooing.
Got all the plastics done, doors, carpets. Looking pretty good. Got the windows clean. It's really hot. I'm really sweaty. All looking pretty good though. Clean dried it. Things seems going back to touch up. Got to do the outside.
Both done. Y'all use both done.
We got a foam can. Yeah, we do that next. This is your pre-wash. Get the bugs and crap off first. That's some pretty stout stuff I just put on.
I can smell it.
Yeah. It peels them off.
Finished drying it off. And ceramic coating it. Ceramic coated it. Dried it off. Good to go. Nice and shiny. You just gotta blacken the wheels and be the end of that.
We're on our next victim. Nice pontoon boat. Out here on the farm washing it off. I already got it spray foam pre-treated with our pre-rinse stuff, and Aaron's over here washing away. Getting her cleaned up. And once we get the outside, we'll climb inside. Wipe everything down, all the leather, clean the floorboards, that kind of thing. Get her looking good. Got the pontoon done. It's too hot out here to run the GoPro. The battery dies too fast, but got it all washed off on the outside, shined up, kind of polished all the chrome, and then went through and cleaned all the seats, floors, console, and then we put leather protection on the seats, and she's looking good.